Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday. It's a little chilly and it's windy out there today. So far, they talk about Michigan weather, flip-flopping, day by day. California weather is the same way, except in the summertime. Yeah, crazy stuff. All right, enough about the weather. Last night, we were in Nepal with the culinary expedition, and I prepared dal jeera bhat, which is dal over rice. I used 3 kinds of dal. Let's see if I get this right this time. Masoor dal, mung dal, and chana dal. Red, yellow, and green. Yeah, yummy. And the jeera, I'm not sure what it means or the translation, but basically I added some stuff to the basmati rice. I added some vegetables and I added some spices. Rounded out the meal. Excellent. There are plenty of notes. Excuse me. There are plenty of notes with this recipe. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. The culinary expedition continues. We go from Nepal to the United Kingdom. This recipe I got from one of my acquaintances who is a UK citizen. She's got a wonderful website. She's also on Facebook. I can't remember her name to save my life right now. But I've used her for sources for recipes in the past. So I ran across this one. So tonight I'll be preparing chicken and mushroom pie. This is a traditional UK dish. And when you see the recipe, I'm not going to change the recipe, the words of the recipe. The word scant, S-C-A-N-T, scant, is used several times. You could also tell a UK recipe by when you're setting your stove for preheat, it uses a gas mark. But she's very kind. And, she puts the gas mark and the Celsius and the Fahrenheit settings. And it's usually in both, milliliters, grams, the metric system, plus the imperial system that we use. So, yeah, that's the fun thing about doing recipes from the UK. So, hey, let's get to it. I got some hardware out, got the brazier out, and got the saute out of the dishwasher this morning. This hardware is getting a lot of use in the last few days. It's kind of a two-parter, basically. One's for the chicken and mushrooms, blah, 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 and then she likes to do the sauce in a separate pan. Chicken thighs, mushrooms. Can't have chicken and mushroom pie without chicken and mushrooms. There's onion. This is one of the onions I got from my buddy at the farmer's market this last week. I think I'm going to go to the farmer's market and pick up some more. Garlic, a little bit of olive oil, excuse me, chicken stock, heavy cream, kosher salt, black pepper, white pepper. There's butter, flour for thickening of the sauce, whole thyme, parsley, ground nutmeg, an egg for the egg wash for the puff pastry. So here's all the goodies for tonight's United Kingdom meal. Chicken and mushroom pie. And this will be the vessel that I'll put all those goodies in. So yeah, it's exciting going on here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. You know I'm chilly when I'm wearing the sweatshirt. Yeah. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.